Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out something super cool. It's called Invideo AI. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to put together videos, spending hours searching for the right clips, editing scenes, adding text, tweaking transitions, it can get exhausting fast. That's where Invideo AI comes in. It's designed to take all that heavy lifting off your plate and seriously simplify the process. With just one simple prompt, you can create and generate ready-to-go videos in just a few minutes. It doesn't matter if you're creating content for YouTube, building ads, posting on social media, or working on client projects. Invideo AI can help you speed up your workflow and actually make video creation way more fun. In today's video, I'm going to give you a full walkthrough. We'll dive into how it works, what kinds of videos you can create, find out if it's really as good as it sounds. So stick around, hit that like button if you're excited, and let's jump right in. All right, cool. Now the first thing you want to do is click the link that I'll drop in the description below. Once you click that link, you'll land on this page. Now, let's create an account. You can either click to create an account, or personally, I always go with join with Google. So click that and then just log in using your Google account. Perfect. Now that we're logged in, you'll see a bunch of options on the left side of the screen. First, head over to the workspace settings. We have the home page, which gives us different options. And right here, we have the media library where all your stuff is stored. Next, let's check out generative pics. In here, you'll see all kinds of cool videos that were made using the platform, like this samurai one, or a cool one of Dorothy in the Land of Oz. There are tons of themes like Batman, food, burgers, travel videos, and more. So we're gonna click outside of this, and here you'll see three different models. The first is just the basic version, but the second one doesn't allow AI generated content. The third version, though, lets you create AI generated videos, and that's the one we're interested in because it lets you create custom videos, not just stock footage. So go ahead and select Model 3.0, and then you'll have a few options. You can make a quick video, or if you want to go into more detail, there are tons of customization options like choosing a fast-paced video, YouTube Shorts, or other formats. You can pick whether you want only stock media or if you want only generated clips. That's the AI generated content. You can also choose the language, background music, and whether you want voice actors or subtitles. There's even an option to upload your own script if you have one ready. I usually write mine using ChatGPT. Now, here's where the magic happens. The workflow section is where you can pick all kinds of video formats. Whether you want a short explainer video, an ad, or a cinematic piece, you can find templates that are perfect for what you need. These templates are awesome because with just a couple of clicks, you can generate a high quality video super quickly. For this tutorial, we're gonna go with a Lego style video, but you can also pick other styles like Disney Pixar, Minecraft, or even claymation. So first, search for Lego and choose the Lego style template. Then decide if you want the video to be fast-paced or slow-paced. For this one, we'll keep it chill with a YouTube video setting. For the settings, we've got a few options here. We can choose only generated clips, only generated images, or only stock media. For this one, we'll go with only generated clips. Next, we need to choose a style. There's a drop-down menu, and I'll just stick with the Lego style for now. Now, let's pick the background music. I'll leave it on the default option, and after that, we'll select our narrator. I'm going to go with a male, clear American voice. And finally, for the language, I'll choose English. Now, for the fun part, you can either create a prompt for the video yourself, or if you want, you can use ChatGPT to help generate the perfect one for you. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for us. Something like a YouTube video of a 5-year-old playing with Lego in his room. If you head over to Explore GPTs, you can search for the Invideo GPT, which has this little fish icon, and you can add it to your sidebar so you can create better video prompts specialized for Invideo AI. If you want to learn how to generate awesome prompts for images and videos in ChatGPT, check out my video on that. I'll leave the link in the description. Once you've got your prompt ready, head over to Invideo and paste it in the topic section. Hit generate video and let the AI do its thing. It'll analyze your request and start creating the video based on your preferences. While it's working, you can sit back and relax, but once it's done, you'll have a fully generated video with music, transitions, and everything you need. If you want to tweak anything, like changing the music or replacing clips, you can easily do that too with like cards. You can even upload your own clips if you prefer. Once you're happy with everything, like you can download your video or share it directly to the platform of your choice. And it is ready. Let's watch the video.
In a world made of tiny bricks, imagination takes its first steps. Every block, a story, every creation, a dream coming to life. For the builders of tomorrow, it all starts here. Lego. Build your world.
All right, guys, this is seriously awesome. You just saw how easy it is. With the click of a button, we were able to generate this nearly finished Lego ad. Everything is AI generated, from the voice to the clips, the edits, the transitions, everything. You saw me set it up and hit create and it was done. Is it perfect? No, but the good part is that we can keep polishing and editing it. It's amazing what this app can do and how it can totally speed up the creation process. Now let's try editing this Lego promo video a little bit. Now there are a few options down here we can mess around with. Like first up, we can adjust the resolution. We've got options like 240p, 480p, 720p, and 1080p. By default, the video is captured at 480p to keep things fast and efficient, so I'm going to leave it at 480p while I work. But when it's time to export, you can definitely export in high definition. All right, to edit the video, just click on Edit. You'll see a bunch of tabs at the top for editing things like Media, Music, Scripts, and General Project Settings. Let's go through them one by one. In the Media tab, we've got plenty of clips that were automatically generated by the AI. Honestly, I'm happy with how they look, so I'm keeping them as is. But if I wanted to swap out a clip, I can just click on it and choose stock media to replace it with something else from the library. If you want to adjust the length of any clip, it's super simple. Right now, each clip is set to 3 seconds, but you can change that to whatever works for you. I've left it on auto for now, but there are options like center point and zoom resolution if you want to get more specific. Next, let's move on to the music tab. You can see I've got different tracks for each chapter of the video. If I want to change a track, I just go to music properties, select stock music, and then I get a whole list of tracks to choose from. You can preview each track and they're all licensed for use in videos, so no worries there. Next, let's go to the track and click this little icon. If I want to replace the track, I just click replace on the new track I want to add. Next, let's go to music properties. Here we have a few different options. First, there's loop music if we want the music to play on repeat. Then we have trim, where we can set the start and end points for the audio timing. Lastly, there's the fade in and fade out option to smooth the transitions. I like the current track, but you can adjust the volume if it's too quiet. For example, I turned up the volume to 110% to make sure it's louder than the narrator's voice for this particular project, since the audio volume was too low. Next up is the script tab. I'm pretty happy with the script as it is, so I'm not going to make any changes. But if you wanted to switch up the narrator's voice or change the speed, you can do that here too. Hang on. You can also switch between stock media and generative clips if you want to. For the general project settings, we've got overlays, presets, and transitions. I haven't added any extras to this video, but it's good to know these are available if you want to add some stickers or animations. You can also adjust the master volume for the whole project here so everything stays balanced. All right, once you're happy with all your edits, hit save changes and let's see how the video turned out. I'll hit play and check it out. Perfect, the video's looking great. Now, when you're ready to download, just click Download Video. You'll get the option to add or remove watermarks. I went with no watermark for this one, and then hit Continue. Now that we've got that sorted, let's move on to the second video. This time, we'll try a different approach. Back in Invideo, we're going to use ChatGPT to help generate a new video prompt. First, go to Explore GPT and search for Video AI. You'll find the one made by Invideo. I already have my prompt ready, but you can follow the same process. For this video, I'm going to create a promo for a chocolate bar. Think something like a Snickers or Milky Way. The idea is to show an extreme close-up of the candy bar being broken in half with a focus on the peanuts, caramel, and chocolate. The voice should be dynamic and a little seductive, really inviting the viewer to taste it. Once I have my prompt, I'll copy it and paste it into Invideo. I'll choose generative videos, make sure I'm using Model 3.0, and hit generate video. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, here's the result. Let's watch it.
Ready for a flavor journey? Crunchy peanuts, golden caramel, heavenly chocolate, galaxy bar, your out of this world moment.
I love it. It's short and sweet with a great dynamic feel. I love how the camera zooms in to highlight the caramel and peanuts. It looks so realistic. It could easily be an actual Snickers ad. All right, now let's try a third video. This time we're making a quick pizza video showing how to prepare a delicious pizza step by step in under a minute. It'll be fast-paced and super engaging, perfect for grabbing attention on YouTube or Instagram. Let's dive in and get this pizza masterpiece ready to roll. I'm going to start by creating another prompt in ChatGPT, just like we did earlier, using the Invideo GPT. Once we have the prompt, we need to copy it and then go to Invideo and paste it. Now let's hit create a short video. This time, let's go for something like YouTube Shorts. I'll paste the prompt here. I'll set the music to be fast and energetic, choose subtitles, and go with stock media for this one. Let's see what we get. Click Continue. Let's hit Generate. The system is analyzing the data. In this field, it's asking us for the audience type. I'll go with the default option and choose food lovers. For the look and feel, I'll pick clean, and for the platform, let's go with YouTube Shorts. Click Continue and let the system work its magic. Now we've got our video. Let's take a look.
This is why you need to try making your own pepperoni pizza. It's quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Step 1, stretch your dough, get it nice and round. Step 2, spread your sauce. Make sure every inch is covered. Step 3, cover with mozzarella. Don't be shy, more cheese, please. Step 4, pepperoni it up. Load it with pepperoni slices. Step 5, bake at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 10-12 minutes. Watch that cheese bubble. And done. Let's eat.
It looks pretty good. Even though it's made with stock footage, the transitions and clips that the system chose are spot on. Next, let's create our final video, which is the same pizza video, but this time using AI generated images. I'll fast forward to speed things up. Once the video's ready, we'll compare how it looks with AI generated clips versus stock media. Once that's done, I'll check out the video and make some final tweaks if necessary. The platform is super fast, and it's a huge time saver when you need to crank out a bunch of videos quickly. And here's the AI generated video. Let's watch it.
Let's make pizza. Sauce it. Cheese it. Pepperoni blast. Baked. Ready to eat?
It looks amazing. The quality of the clips is much better in my opinion. The best part is that the AI customizes each video clip to your liking based on the prompt you give it. Everything was done with just a few tweaks. Here are our two videos for comparison. One uses stock images and the other features AI generated images. Both look great, but the quality of the AI generated images is incredible, though it does come at a higher cost. On the other hand, the stock footage video also looks fantastic with great visuals. The good thing is that with Invideo AI, you can use both options in your project, mixing and matching to create the perfect final product. In the end, it all comes down to what best suits your needs. If you have a larger budget, AI generative media is a great choice. But if you need to create more videos in bulk while saving time and money, stock media is definitely a solid option. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for today. We went through the Lego sample ad, played around with a chocolate bars ad, and explored some of the incredible features Invideo AI has to offer. Seriously, this tool makes video creation so much faster and easier. If you're looking for a way to save time, stay creative, and actually enjoy the process, Invideo AI is definitely worth checking out. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Would you use AI like this for your own videos? If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.